In today's video, I'm going to teach you AI Shorts tutorial, how to post 5 videos a day without recording anything. If you want to grow with short form content but you do not want to film yourself, this workflow makes the process much easier. The idea is simple. Use AI to plan and write. Use AI voice tools for narration. Use stock footage for visuals, and then batch everything together so you can publish consistently. First, go to Opus Clip and start by choosing a niche. This part matters because some topics naturally perform better in short-form content. Good examples include motivational quotes, facts and trivia, AI tools, finance tips, health tips, and business advice. Pick one niche and stay focused so your content feels consistent and easier for viewers to recognize. Next, generate content ideas with AI. You can use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to brainstorm multiple short-form video ideas quickly. A useful prompt would be to ask for 20 viral YouTube Shorts ideas about your chosen topic, such as AI tools for beginners. This saves time and helps you avoid staring at a blank page. Once you have ideas, create the script. Ask the AI to write a short script in the 30 to 60 second range. For example, you can request a 45-second YouTube Shorts script about the best free AI tool for content creators. Keep scripts tight, clear, and easy to understand, because short videos work best when every second has a purpose. After that, generate your voiceover using an AI voice tool like 11 Labs or the CapCut AI voice generator. Simply paste in your script and create the narration. Choose a voice that sounds natural and matches the tone of your niche. Now get stock videos from free sources like Pexels videos or Pixabay videos. Search for keywords related to your script so the visuals match what is being said. Relevant footage makes even simple videos feel more polished and engaging. Then move into CapCut to edit everything together. Create a vertical 9x16 project, add your stock clips, insert the AI voiceover, turn on auto captions, and add background music. Also make sure the final video stays between 30 and 60 seconds so it fits the short form format well. To scale this, create 5 videos at once. Generate 5 topics, write 5 scripts, create 5 voiceovers, and edit 5 videos in one session. Batching like this can give you a full week of content in just a few hours. Then schedule your uploads throughout the day, morning, lunch, afternoon, evening, and night. You can use YouTube Studio for scheduling and TikTok Creative Center for trend research. Finally, optimize every upload. Use a strong hook in the first 3 seconds, add relevant hashtags, write a clear title, and include a call to action. Then repeat the process daily. The goal is not perfection. The goal is volume, consistency, and giving yourself more chances to grow without ever needing to record on camera.